Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the practical. So in this semester, that is semester 4, we have to cover at least 4 practicals related to the theory. So here the first paper that is based on the first theory paper, that is eco-technology. Therefore the first practical of the first paper, that is PSEBS P 401. So we know that our first paper of the theory is eco-technology, and unlike our third semester, this semester is also consisting of the minor experiments as well as the major experiments. So here we can find out the minor experiments as well as the major experiments. So minor experiments normally carry 25 marks when you are going to face the practical exam regularly, and 15 marks, and the major experiment, they normally carry the 25 marks. So 15 plus 25 will gives you the 40 marks, and 10 marks there is for 5 marks for journal and 5 marks for viva. So in this way we can find out our practical. Each paper is having a practical, and each paper practical, it is consisting of 50 marks. So eco-technology, it is consisting of the minor experiment as well as major experiment. So we have to cover certain minor experiment. At least 50% of the syllabus should be covered. Therefore the first experiment, that determination of the root density, should be covered, and next is the determination of translocation factor by phytoremediation techniques. So we are going to study both this technique as well as the phytoremediation technique, and we have to take one more this experiment, the fourth experiment, the case study on Tehri project, Silent Valley project, Narmada project, and biopiracy and eco disaster of the deforestation. So we have to cover this topic also. This we have to study related to the any of the case studies related to the Tehri Dam or the Silent Valley projects or Narmada Dam project, etc. We have to select as a case study. Next, coming up to the major experiment. Here in case of major experiment, we have to perform the first experiment, that is tracing of watershed and their morphological features from the topo sheet. So we have to draw the topo sheet of the watershed. So we have to trace the watershed. We'll discuss it, how to draw it and how to form the topo sheet structure. So we have to cover this first experiment, that is tracing of the watershed. Next is that problem in the water budgeting. So what are the problems which are included in the water budgeting, that should also be covered. And next is the design structure for water conservation and harvesting basis on the field visit. So if possible we are going to cover this also. So that was related to the paper first of the eco-technology, practical related to the eco-technology. Now coming up to the next one, that is next paper, that is environmental biotechnology and nanotechnology. So in this again it is consisting of two main subject or main set, that is minor experiment as well as major experiment. So minor experiment, it is consisting of 4 experiment. So we are going to perform all those experiment which can be possible one by one. So minor experiment, first experiment, that is bioremediation of bioremediation of heavy metal by green plants in aquatic and soil environment. So we are going to see how these heavy metals can be removed by means of the green plants. So we are utilizing certain green plants which can be utilized to remove the heavy metals. So what are the different type of plants which can be utilized? Next is phytoremediation of heavy metals by green plant in aquatic or soil environment. So by means of plant, how we are going to remove again, it may be the aquatic plant or the soil environment related plants. So again we are doing the phytoremediation. Phyto means plants, remediation means removal of what? Heavy metals. So by means of planting plant, or we are going to remove the heavy metals from the soil. Next is the development of mycorrhizal soil using pot culture technique, and the last one is development of compost from organic waste. So we are going to perform at least 2 experiments from this minor experiments. Next is a major experiment, estimation of DNA by spectrophotometer. So we have already seen what is DNA and what are the structure of DNA. So here in this experiment we are going to see how the DNA can be extracted. So even the plant contain the DNA, animals contain the DNA, so how these DNAs can be extracted and how it can be seen spectrophotometrically. Next is determination of molecular weight of DNA by electrophoresis. So we have already studied what is electrophoresis in SEM 3. So today or in this semester we are going to perform the experiment based on the determination of molecular weight of the DNA. मतलब डीएनए का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट के अनुसार इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस में कैसे अरेंजमेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस फिकैलिस. स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस फिकैलिस का डिटर्मिनेशन कैसे किया जाता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म एटलीस्ट these 3 experiment in this semester. Now coming up to the next paper. Next paper is the normally sustainable management. So sustainable management, this is the third paper. So the experiment which are related to the sustainable management, again it is consisting of 2 headings. There may be minor experiment and the major experiments. So we have seen minor experiments as well as the major experiments. So what are the minor experiments? We have to perform water या फिर energy audit in the house or college building or the society or laboratory. So it may be any site, we have to perform the water audit either or the energy audit. So this is the experiment which we are going to perform. Next is to study the sustainability report of major business group, environmental compliances report for the company. If we get the time then we are going to complete, but we are going to move for the next experiment, report on visit to NGOs, biomedical waste management site or hazardous waste management, pollution control facility or in industry. So in the third paper here we have to you guys have to arrange a field visit, and you have, if this field visit is compulsory to all of you, and in that you have to visit the any type of NGOs or biomedical waste management plant or hazardous waste management plant or any type of pollution control facilities like any type of industries. So we just not have to visit this site, we have to collect all the data related to it, and then we have to write down the report. So we have to submit a report or field visit report. Next is that you have to attend a seminar. So again you have to write on report on the seminar or conferences attended. So in this semester these 2 things is to be done very sincerely. That is, first one is that you have to attend the seminar or conference, it is compulsory, and next field visit is one of next concept is to be normally visited, and then only you can be able to write on the report. Next, coming up to the Next is the major experiment. So in case of minor experiment, we have to perform both the first experiment, next is the third experiment and the fourth experiment. That is, you have to attend any type of the seminar or the conferences, that is compulsory. And second one is that you have to visit a particular site which is related to the biomedical waste. It may be hazardous waste or any type of pollution control facilities, and then you have to write down the report. So coming up to the major experiment, here in case of major experiment, you have to write down the report on study tour. So we have to arrange a study tour for 3 to 4 days, and according to that study tour, we have to write the report on any type of natural ecosystem, visit to any type of natural ecosystem, national park it may be mangrove ecosystem, or any type of mining centers, agriculture field. So that the site where is to be visited, it should be first considered in mind, and after that the visit is planned. Any of the pollution control board or research institute or meteorological department. So if you can find any type of the sites which consisting of all these concepts, then we can arrange the 3 to 4 days field visit. According to that, we have to write on the report based on the visit. So this was regarding the paper 3, sustainable management. Now coming up to the paper 4th. So we know that the name of the paper 4th is nothing but the environmental management. So in case of this paper, we have to carry out a project work, and this paper, that is paper 4th, is nothing but the summation of the project work. So here the project work itself is consisting of the 50 marks. So it's very important, you have to carry the project, or you have to submit a project work that is totally in the Times New Roman, and it may be font may be Times New Roman, and 12 to 15 or 16 size of the font. So you have to complete a project which must be of 50 pages at least. So you have to first select topic, and this topic should have a particular solution. So you have to find out a problem, and then we have to find out a solution for that, or any type of any project work can be done on this topic. So project work is a topic which is to be selected by you. I am just going to guide you regarding the project, how to write the project, what are the different aspects to be covered in the project. First will be the appendix, first will be the index, next will be the introductory part, third will be the methodology, fourth will be the whatever related to the project work. But within 10 days, let me know the project or the title of project which you are going to perform or going to submit as a project work for the paper 4. So I am giving you the 10 days. Within the 10 days, you have to tell me the title of project which you are going to perform, because this project carries 50 marks. It's very important. So you have to submit the project report, and it carries 30 marks. At the same time, so whatever work is done by you on this project, that should be presented. So the project evaluation, that again consisting of 20 marks, which is based on the evaluation is based on the Viva voice. So you are asked certain question related to the project work, and then you have to present your project, and which carries the 10 marks. So Viva voice contain 10 marks, and presentation may contain the 10 marks. So altogether you can find out the 4th paper is nothing but the carrying the work of the project work. At the same time, you have to prepare a presentation, and you have to be ready for the Viva voice. So in this way, we are going to cover all the 4 papers practical one by one. So if the pandemic is over and we are expected to continue our MSc, you are expected to continue our lecture, then you have to, the candidate is expected to submit the journal certified by the HODs. So you have to submit the journal which is to be certified by HOD, head of the department, or any coordinator, etc., etc. And the candidate will not be allowed to appear for the practical examination unless he or she produces a certified journal or certificate from the HOD of the institution or department. So if you want to sit for the practical exams, you have to go through the practical examinations, and practical examination is satisfied by means of the submission of the journal. So we are going to perform one by one the experiment, and you have to write this experiment in your paper or journal, and then you have to bind it out. So at the end of examination, you have to submit a journal, and the journal is to be submitted and it carries some marks. So use of non-programmable calculator is allowed both at the theory and the practical examination. So both theory and practical examination, here the calculator is allowed to you. So these are the instruction which is given to the student before the practical examination. So what we have seen in today's session is that these are the practicals which we have to cover in paper 1. These are the practicals which is to be covered in for the paper 2. At least these practicals is to be covered. These are the practicals which is to be covered in the paper 3 or practical 3 paper. So here you have to attend a seminar, that is a must. Next we have to you have to write a report on NGOs or biomedical waste, and the study on the trip or study of tour or field visit, you can say that. Next, under the paper 4 practical, you have to get prepared for your project work. So you're left with only 2 months, hardly 2 months, that is Feb and March. April, or you can say there are 3 months. So within these 3 months we have to complete a full project work, and how to write the project work I'll tell you later on. For today we have just seen what are the different practicals or introductory part of the practicals, which we are going to cover one by one by means of the online lectures. Thank you for watching.